Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I will show you how you can get rid of this iPhone unavailable problem. Guys, if your phone has stuck on iPhone unavailable due to repeated again and again a wrong password, then I will tell you how you can get rid of this problem. Guys, to get rid of this phone you need to another phone. It can be Android phone or iPhone. If in my case I'm using my second Android phone to get rid of this problem. So here is go to your Chrome and type icloud.com. If you are using your iPhone, then go to Safari browser and type icloud.com and simply click on sign in with the Apple ID. Guys, please make sure that you're signing here the same Apple ID that was signed in on the phone which password you have forgotten. So I am signing here the same Apple ID that is signed in on my this phone which password I have forgotten and currently stuck on iPhone unavailable, and click on find devices here. Guys, it is showing the list of devices that are signed in with the same Apple ID. So select your device which password you have forgotten. So and click on erase iPhone. Continue. Enter the Apple ID password to erase iPhone. It is asking for two-factor authentication. Please provide your verification code here. Click on next. Click on done. Wait for a few seconds until your erase being start. As you can see, your phone has started erasing. Now simply remove from this device. Removing from this device will help you while set up this phone. So enter the Apple ID password to remove from this device. As you can see, I have removed from this device, so further there is no more need of this phone. Wait until your erase completed. Guys, as you can see, your phone has erased and has been restored completely. So let me set up this phone. Select your language and select your country or region where you live. Select type on setup manually, click on continue and connect your device with a Wi-Fi network. I have connected with a Wi-Fi network and I will speed up all this process for not wasting your time anymore. Welcome to iPhone. Guys, as you can see, your phone has been unlocked and it is not stuck on iPhone unavailable and problem has been resolved. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please leave a like and comment in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.